It's DJ Mackay Contractors Charity Dyno Day, and the turnout is frightening. They have 3 dynamometers going flat out, and they're going to need every one of them. Somebody's going to be on the night shift. Absolutely fantastic to see. It's for children's cancer, and yeah, turnout and support is incredible. So yeah, we'll get some shots of different tractors making some numbers, and I'll try and post the interesting ones, so yeah, stay tuned. I'll see if we can fire a link for the charity. If you could go on there and fire a little donation in, would be greatly appreciated. As I say, it's for children's cancer services, so yeah, very worthwhile cause. So yeah, guys, follow that link and do us a little donation. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get some videos up. £1,000 foot, surely. So how do you make £1,000 foot, surely? I wonder what his temps are doing. He started to look nervous. Still playing. Still alright. That's her, I think. That's her. She's peaked. Keep an eye on the torque there for interest, see what she... horsepower. Clean. What sort of torque she making?